In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove signature from Thunderbird. If you're seeing a default sign-off automatically added to the bottom of every message and you want a clean blank footer instead, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off or clear it out. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer. Once the app is up, look over to the left where your accounts and folders are listed. Instead of clicking inside your inbox, go to the account you want to change. Right-click directly on the account name in that sidebar. This brings up a small menu tied to that specific account, which is exactly what we need to modify the signature for that one address. From that menu, choose Settings. Depending on your version, it may read Account Settings, but either way, it opens the panel where all the options for the selected account live. You'll be taken to a page that shows the account details and identity information. This is where Thunderbird keeps the signature controls. Look for the section labeled Signature Text. It's usually a large text box on the main account page. If your signature is using formatting, you may also see an option related to HTML or a checkbox that mentions attaching a signature from a file. What you're seeing there is the exact content Thunderbird appends to the end of your messages. If it contains styled text, links, or images, that's because the HTML option was used when it was set up. To remove the signature, you have two straightforward choices. If there's a checkbox that enables the signature, such as an option to attach it from a file, simply uncheck it. That tells Thunderbird not to insert anything at the bottom of new messages and replies. If your signature is typed directly into the signature text box, click into that box, select all the content and delete it so the field is completely empty. If there's an HTML toggle, turning it off won't remove the signature by itself. Clearing the text or disabling the attachment option is what actually stops it from appearing. Once that field is empty or the relevant checkbox is turned off, Thunderbird will no longer add the signature for that account. If you manage multiple accounts, repeat the same process for any others that still include a footer so each one behaves the way you want. That's all there is to it. Open Thunderbird, right-click the account, go into Settings, find the signature text, and either uncheck the signature option or delete the HTML content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your messages clean and consistent.